So we'll continue with this ratio formula again. Suppose you have a question, find the length of the median drawn from the vertex A of the triangle ABC, where the coordinates are of A, B, C are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1 respectively. Okay. So what if we do? Draw a triangle. Okay, this is 1, 2. This is 3, 4. This is 5, minus 1. Or let's take minus 3, 4, 5, 1. That is better. Minus 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, length of the median drawn from the vertex A, means from here you draw a line. This AD line is called median. What is the meaning of median? Divides the base into two equal parts. Two equal parts means 1:1 ratio. That means this is midpoint formula. So find out what is coordinate of x. So coordinates of D, that is xy. What is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2. This is for x, and for y, y1 plus y2 by 2. So minus 3 plus 5 by 2. Minus 3 plus 5 by 2, then 4 plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 1 by 2. That means it is 2 by 2, 5 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So 1, 5 by 2. So this became 1, 5 by 2. Okay, this coordinate of D became 1, 5 by 2. Coordinate of A is 1, 2. So if I draw that in a line, if I draw here, A is here, D is here, 1, 2, this is 1, 5 by 2. So distance formula, length means distance. So how to find distance here? So AD formula is x2 minus x1 by 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 by y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what do you find? 1 minus 1 whole square, 5 by 2 minus 2 whole square. Root out. So that is 0. This is 2, 5 minus 4 whole square. That means 1 by 4 root over. Plus 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 का square 1, 2 का square 4. So that is 1 by 2. So one question you will try to solve. Suppose Find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle ABC are A 2 3, B 3 5, C 0 2. Find the length of the median, from the vertex B. Means it is like this. This is A 2 3. This is B 3 5. This is C 0 2. Length of the median means this you have to find. B from B means B D suppose. So BD you have to find out. How to find? Now first you find coordinate D, midpoint formula. After that midpoint formula. Midpoint means divides the base into two equal parts. Midpoint formula, then BD distance you have to find. Okay. This is homework. You try. Then centroid. Centroid of the triangle ABC. How to find centroid? You see, the question comes. That is, suppose there is a triangle here, ABC. If you draw a perpendicular B, if you draw a perpendicular E, if you draw a perpendicular, median F, means A midpoint, A midpoint, A midpoint. So they are meeting a point. Medians meeting a point is called centroid. The meeting point of medians of a triangle is called centroid. G is called centroid. Again you have to remember, G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Means this part is 2, this part is 1. Means AG is 2, GD is 1. Suppose this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is x3, y3. Okay. Then you find what is coordinate of D. So coordinate of D will be coordinates of B. What is the formula? Midpoint formula. That will be x2 plus x3 by 2. x2 plus x3 by 2. y2 plus y3 by 2. ये formula. Okay, if I copy this AD now here, what I find? A is here, x1 y1, d is here, x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus, let me write very clearly, this is x2 plus x3 by 2, this point D, y2 plus y3 by 2. This is the G point which divides the ratio 2:1. Okay. Now suppose G का coordinate is xy. Then what is x now? mx2 plus nx1 by n plus n means 2 into mx2, 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 plus mx2, x2 means this one, so plus 1 into x1 by m plus n, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, sorry, 2 to cancel, therefore x is equal to x2 plus x3 plus x1. Now this 2 is cancelled, so you can write in order x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Okay. Now similarly, what will be y value? Y equals to 2 into this value, y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 into y1 divided by n plus n. n plus n means 2 plus 1. This 2 is cancelled. So if you arrange y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, therefore centroid G equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. ये फॉर्मूला हो गया. Sometimes this question comes to derive, so you have to practice this. Now how the question comes, look at, question comes in two ways. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5 respectively. Okay, simple, only thing we have to remember this formula. So if you write or if you draw a triangle here, A, B, C. A is 1, 2. 1, 2 means x1, y1. B is 3, 4. x2, y2. 2, 5. x3, y3. Therefore, you write here x is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Okay. x1 means 1, x coordinate 1, 3 and 2 you have to add. 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 3. How much? 3 plus 1 is 4 to 6 by 3. That is 2. Y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. 11 by 2. Therefore, G का value centroid 2 11 by 2. Okay. Then you try the question and change the values. -1 3, 2 4, 2 minus 6. You try this question. This question also comes in some other way. Try to see. That is if the centroid of the triangle ABC is 2 4. Two of its vertices A are A 2 5, B 3 minus 2. Find the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C. So it is like this. A is given, B is given, C is given. Okay, G is given here, centroid. G how much? 2 4. This is 2 4. A is how much? 2 5. B is how much? 3 minus 2. C is how much? Not given. Suppose x3, y3. This is not given. This is xy. You can write x equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. In place of x, you have to write 2. 2 equals to 2 plus 3 plus x3 by 3. Cross multiplication. 2 into 3, 5 plus x3. This is 6. 5 will come this side, minus equals to x3. Therefore, x3 equals to 1. That means this coordinate you got. You will find y3. Same formula again. Y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Y में what you have to write? 4. Four equals to 5 minus 2 plus y3. 5 minus 2 plus y3 by 3. Cross multiplication. 4 into 3 equals to 3 plus y3. This is 12 minus 3. Therefore, y3 is equal to 9. So, therefore, C x3 y3. x3 was how much? 3 I think, na? 2 plus 3 5. 5 6 minus 5 what? 1 9. So you can try a question. This is suppose 3 1. This is our practice question I am giving. Minus 3 minus 2 2 5. Find the coordinate of C. Okay. This is a question now. Then the last question of this chapter, because area under curve is not in the syllabus. Sorry, area of the triangle is not in the syllabus. Okay, fine. Now a question is, Last question of this. Find the ratio by which the line joining points two, 1, 3, 5 is divided by the line x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. You try to understand this question. This is something different. It is like this. A is a point, B is a point. A का coordinate 2, 3. 3, 5 here. This is divided by another line. Another line means x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So this is P point. So P is a common point to both A and B. So a common point to AB and this line, because both are meeting at this point. So find the value of xy from here and put it here, then you can find. Suppose the ratio is k is to 1. Let the line divides AB. Let the line, this line divides AB in the ratio k is to 1. Divides AB in the ratio k is to 1 at P. P means xy. This is k is to 1. This point is xy. So x का formula mx2 nx1 by n plus n. That means k into 3. K into 3 plus 1 into 2 by k plus 1. So you got x is equal to 3k plus 2 by k plus 1. X का value you got. Y equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So y equals to my2 k into 5 plus 1 into 3 by k plus 1. So that is how much? 5k plus 3 by k plus 1. Now you write xy lies on the line. This xy here xy, because this point is also on this line, lies on the line. ये वाला point is on this line. So ये वाला value you put here on the line. X plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So put the value of x, 3k plus 2y, k plus 1, put here. 3k plus 1 by k plus 1 plus 2 into 5k. Y is 5k plus 3 by k plus 1 minus 4 equals to 0. Now you have to take LCM. There is no k plus 1 here, so you have to multiply. So LCM is k plus 1. This will remain 3k plus 1. This will remain 2 into 5k plus 3. This will be minus 4 into k plus 1 equals to 0. 1 10k plus 6 minus 4k minus 4. 4 into multiply divided by k plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so 3k plus 10k is 13. 13 minus 4, 9k. Then 7 minus 4 is 3 by k plus 1 equals to 0. The cross multiplication, 9k plus 3 equals to 0 into k plus 1. 9k plus 3 equals to 0. Implies 9k equals to minus 3. K is equal to minus 3 by 9. How much? Minus 1 by 3. Therefore, k is to 1 means minus 1 by 3 is to 1. This 3 will go here. Minus 1 is to 3. Okay. So I am giving 1%. You try. So last question. Find the ratio by which the line joining points two, 5, 3 minus 1 is divided by x 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. So this is your question. Okay, so try to solve. So in the next class we will have a new chapter. Complete the textbook questions.